Happy Hanukkah! Let's celebrate with an easy-to-play 4-chord reggae jam by Matisyahu. This song not only celebrates Hanukkah, but it's just a great reggae jam song. Really fun to play. In this video, I'm going to show you the chords, easy reggae strum, a little something about muting, and then we're going to jam the whole song together. I've created a really fun Hanukkah songbook. You can check it out in the video description down below. It includes song sheets, melody tabs, even a chord solo, and there's a video playlist to take you through the book. These are the 4 chords you need to play Happy Hanukkah by Matisyahu. As we learn these, we're going to learn a cool trick that the middle finger does. Changes from A major. Notice the middle finger slides up 2 frets. To play E major, just pivot those other fingers in there, drop the index on the 2nd fret of the 1st string. Now, slide that middle finger back to where you were for A major, add the ring finger for F minor, and then leave that middle finger there for your D major chord. Let's practice them together, and then we're going to add the reggae strum. A major, E major, F sharp minor, D major. Again, that middle finger is common to all those chords. The entire song is this same chord progression, so once you get the groove down, you can just flow along with the track. Thanks so much for watching Ukulele Zen. If you're enjoying this lesson, please reach out and give it a thumbs up. Be sure to click the subscribe button. It really helps YouTube to spread this content to more enthusiastic music makers like you. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what you'd like to learn next. To play the reggae rhythm, we're going to need short, crisp, muted chords, and here's how we'll do it. Strum the strings and then touch with the palm. We're trying to actively play the silence. See if you can shut the sound off without tapping. Awesome. Now let's do that on beats 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also do that with a down-up strum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So many patterns to reggae. You can go down on beat 2, down up on beat 4. Let's try this with all 4 chords. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Nice and easy, getting the groove. Happy Hanukkah, I wanna give a gift to you. Light up the light, let my love shine through. From Mount Zion, this is what we do. Bring my love to you. The whole song is that pattern. Let's kick it with the song. Remember, you can check out the ebook of Hanukkah goodies in the description down below. There's a discount through the end of the year. I hope it serves you well, brings your family lots of joy. There are other ways to play the reggae rhythm. You can mute with the left hand, or you can play all kinds of percussive techniques, and I'll be sharing those in a bonus lesson for members of the community. Check the links down below if you want to access that lesson. Let's have some fun with the track. You'll see me strumming it in a couple of different ways. Just flow. Let's have a good time. Start tapping your feet to the beat. 1, 2, 1, 2, here we go. Happy Hanukkah, I wanna give a gift to you. Light up the light, let my love shine through. From Mount Zion, this is what we do. Bring love to you. Today is the day, tonight is the night. Sunset, twilight, head back, come along, take flight. I'll twinkle and a twinkle and a shooting in the sky. Time shine and I'm feeling alright. Light a candle for the one you love. Peace and light from below to above. 8 nights, celebrate till I fly in the sky like a dove. With me and the wine and the light up a flame and the name and the Lion of Judah. Drop like a hammer when I fall like the rain. Sun shower, feel a power when I hit like a train. Happy Hanukkah, I wanna give a gift to you. Light up the night, let my love shine through. From Mount Zion, this is what we do. Bring love to you. Happy Hanukkah, I wanna give a gift to you. Light up the night, let my love shine through. From Mount Zion, this is what we do. Bring love to you.
Into the cosmos flows intact. Wanna ride too exciting, now I'm fighting back. It's a time with the divine. It's a battle through your spine. It's a battle from the ancient line. Son of but make a beat till the end of time. You're my light in this hardest time. Yes, you bring peace to my mind. Won't you please let me unwind? The light of a flame in the name of the Lion of Judah. Drop like a hammer when I fall like the rain. Sun shower, feel a baba when I hit like a train.
Happy Hanukkah, I wanna give a gift to you. Light up the night, let my love shine through. From Mount Zion, this is what we do. Bring love to you. Happy Hanukkah, I wanna give a gift to you. Light up the night, let my love shine through. From Mount Zion, this is what we do. Bring love to you. Keep it steady. Hanukkah, I wanna give a gift to you. Light up the night, let my love shine through. From Mount Zion, this is what we do. Bring love to you.